Tell a story. What's your life stories?
I have no life stories.
What's your life motivation speech?
I have no life motivation speech.
Who's your daddy?
I have no daddy.
Long time.
Long time ago, I was born alone.
Oh, together.
Alone.
Together.
Alone.
Together.
I was born alone in Uruguay.
Uruguay.
Yes.
Hold this, hold this.
Uruguay.
You take.
It's mine now. I'm gonna sell this at use products tomorrow. I'm gonna make money and feed my kids for weeks. I can feed my kids for a week. Hey, deze.
Sometimes yes.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Where are you going?
This camera is mine. This camera is mine.
You are giving to me because I have the PCR that's supposed to go there. I can prove
It's
it.
not your camera.
Are you giving
Leave
it
me
back
alone.
to me? You give it back to me.
Leave me alone.
Hey, come on. You give it back to me.
Leave
Hey,
me alone.
Please. I am just a humble worker of God. I am just a humble preacher of God. Please give it back to me. Hey?
It's my camera. I'm gonna sell it tomorrow and feed my kids.
I have children too myself. You know how
Fuck
it
your
is.
children.
Please.
Fuck your
Please,
children.
my brother.
Fuck your children.
Please, my brother. Give it back to me now.
Your children don't need food.
I have to sell this. Give it back.
You can take this for your children. Take it.
Fuck my children.
Huh?